right, we're getting in breaking inputs in the Delhi liquor policy scam as Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court is now to issue an order on cognizance of the charge sheet filed against BRS leader K. Kavita is what we're learning. The court is taking cognizance of the charge sheet against the BRS leader K. Kavita. Now, we're also being told that the court has summoned all the accused named in this charge sheet, and K. Kavita is now to be produced before the court on 3rd of June. This is the latest information that we are bringing to you. Ananya joins me on the phone line. Ananya, remember, the ED and the CBI counsels have throughout been arguing that to give any kind of bail at this moment to K. Kavita is only going to lead to more disaster because she is in an influential position, can influence the witnesses and destroy evidence. Henceforth, equally more important for them to now take cognizance of the charge sheet.
Well, definitely the court has now taken cognizance of this particular charge sheet filed by the Enforcement Directorate with regards to, the whole liquor excise policy scam case. And K. Kavita, Chanpreet Singh, Arvind Singh, and Prince Kumar have been named in this particular charge sheet. All of them have been summoned by the court. Remember that K. Kavita, being in judicial custody, will be produced through the jail via a production warrant being issued against her for the 3rd of June. All of them would now appear physically before the court since and then the court has now taken cognizance of this particular charge sheet. And, very particularly, the Enforcement Directorate has alleged that she is one of the key conspirators into this particular case. And, she is somebody who had been instrumental in arranging for 100 crore rupees bribe, amount of 50 crores of that 100 crores, which was demanded by the Delhi Chief Minister, was actually arranged by K. Kavita, and the other half was being arranged, in fact, by, the MSR, that is Manguta Srinivasan Reddy. So these are the allegations against her, and now the court is taking cognizance of this particular charge sheet. The next date of hearing is 3rd of June, when K. Kavita and others will have to appear before the court of law.
We'll have to see how that plays out on the 3rd of June. Many thanks to you, Ananya, for bringing in all those